Problem number 20. The picture shows two gears, each with a black tooth. Where will the black teeth be after the small gear has made one full turn? A, B, C, D, or E? With gears, when one of them moves, the teeth kind of catch against each other, so each gear moves the same number of teeth. However, they move in opposite directions. The first thing to do is to count the number of teeth on each gear. The small gear has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 teeth. And the larger gear has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 teeth. When the small gear makes one full turn, it will move by 8 teeth, with the black tooth returned to where it started, and the large gear will also move by 8 teeth. Because the big gear has 16 teeth, when it moves by 8 teeth, it moves halfway around. It will move in this direction. We just need to find which tooth is halfway across from where the black tooth started. So we can just draw a line here, and the tooth is right here. We could also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the black tooth will be right here on the bottom. In this situation is shown in answer C. So the answer is C.